analysis of Fantom, and this video I'm going to try and make about 3 to 4 minutes, and hopefully we can all make a good profit from it. So if we look at this top down analysis, let's start from the daily chart, and you can see that I've drawn this support region slash resistance region here. Okay, so it's hit, there's been some false breakouts around September 2020, it's gone well below, and then now it's been established as a support region. Okay, so let's see what's been happening more recently. So if we go to the 4-hour charts, you can see that area where it became support in a lot more detail. It's been tested quite a few times, and then from here on what we can do is we can draw some trend lines. We've got this trend line here that's been pushing down. Okay, then after that what we can see is there's another trend line. It's a weak trend line, but it still gives us an idea of where it's going to go and in the future where it could end up. Okay, some stronger trend lines that we can draw are ones like this and ones like this. So we can see that it's hit here, it's resisted, then support, okay, and it's established as support again over here. Okay, and from its peak it's came down in a correction, which is a healthy correction in my opinion. It's came down, it's hit this trend line multiple times, and it's crossed over in this region. You can see this would have been an amazing time to buy yesterday, but if you missed that, not a problem. There's still chances. Okay, so another thing that you can see that I've drawn is I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement here. So I've drawn it from the bottom of that support line all the way to the top of the peak, and in this golden zone you can see that the correction has came down towards here. Okay, which shows it's a healthy correction and it's not just a pump and dump type currency. So yeah, I would say it's an amazing currency to invest in. There's a lot of money to be made here, provided it keeps on following these trends and abides by the rules of the charts. Okay, so what's going to happen next, and where should you buy in? Okay, if you miss this opportunity, not a problem. It was a nice 40 to 50% increase if you got in at the right spot, but what's going to happen now? So let me just draw some paths in now quickly. So from here it's going to come down and retest this zone here. Okay, it's going to retest this zone, or come and retest this trend line over here and establish it as support again. If it does in this region, it's going to go back up and it'll go past this region in the Fibonacci, and it could go back towards the peak or even higher. Okay, so that would be an ideal scenario for us. Okay, so that's scenario one. That would be the bullish scenario and the scenario that we're all hoping for. Let's see the rewards that we can expect, and that would be 70-75% gain if it reaches there. Okay, I would set a stop loss for the bottom of this region here. So if we were to go long from here, you can see that we'd have about a 70% gain, and if we wanted to get out of that trade, it would be a maximum 12 to 13% loss. Okay, but you can see the risk to reward ratio, you've got about 5, so you can 5 times whatever your risk is on this trade, provided it goes well. And the other scenario, we want to see the other scenario if it doesn't go our way. So the other scenario is that it comes back down below that trend line and goes up again, tests this region again as resistance, then comes back down towards this trend line and maybe even below. Okay, but it'll go down towards this region. That's the next region you maybe want to buy at, but I would be very wary, because if it goes down here, then it could go down towards this support region as well. Okay, so you want to be careful. That's scenario A. Scenario B, scenario A is more likely in my opinion. I'm looking to get in around this price over here at 970 satoshis. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Hopefully we all benefit. Let me know if this trade works out in your favor, and I'll be making videos daily trying to get us all to make some money. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment down below which coins you want me to analyze, and I'll get to them. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Cheers.